Hi everyone, in this video we'll explore the multi-state indicator in Ignition Designer software. Let's add one multi-state indicator to my screen. As you know, we can use this panel to change its properties. A multi-state indicator is a component that displays a value by switching between predefined visual states, each with its own color, text, and style. It's commonly used to show equipment status. For example, control mode for a device, which can be off, manual, auto, fault. As you can see, we can define our desired styles for each number, and also remove or add new styles. Now let's add a multi-state button and connect the both inserted components to a tag to see how the multi-state indicator performs. As you can see, we can use the multi-state indicator to display various states of a device, but it cannot be used to change a tag's value. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out the next one in our Ignition course.